So this is a demonstration of the new PORMIDO P996 dash cam. You just turn your car on and it automatically goes on. Need to format the SD card in it, and this is the rear view. Lets you see behind you. And this one, it is what is displaying in front of you. And for the split mode, just hit it again and you can see behind you and what's displaying in front at the same time. Now the touchscreen on this is a lot more responsive than the previous model, the PR990 that I have as well, and it is very smooth, just dragging it. Very responsive. Same with the front. You can position it any angle that you want without having to move the lens itself. Now it automatically starts recording in 1, 2, or 3 minute loops. You have your time and date displayed up there. You can take a picture once my storage is cleared. This is playback mode. Very easy to go through all of that. Pictures. And then the settings menu, you access, well, not recording. Gives you all your settings here. Resolution, you can choose the display or how long it loops for. Sound, you can mute it. Very nice to just scroll through. Very easy to navigate. And full HD, full color. I mainly use this as my rear view mirror instead of the reflection I look through the camera, because as you can see, you have a lot of access to blind spot here, whereas you click the button and it goes into driving mode and you don't get to see as much of a view. So this really helps with blind spot detection.